All right, today we're sitting with the 1241 labels as well as the replacement label holder. Comes in 3 pieces, and I'll show you how to assemble it. The cylinder side goes face down. That way you'll have this pin facing you. That pin will go in this hole here. So you go ahead and insert it through there. It's pretty tight, but go ahead and push it through and confirm that you have it all the way in by finding these 2 pins flush. Then with this long side facing you, the labels coming off also facing you, loaded on top. And then you find the slit on the bottom of the cylinder and this tab here. They'll go in like 2 puzzle pieces. There it goes. All right, and you shouldn't have any gaps on either side. Should be nice and snug. And then it goes right on. And you're good. Now I'll show you how to take it off. Let's say the roll is empty. Just pull it out. And I find it's best to start with the bottom piece, pulling it up. And then you have a decent gap. And then walk it out like that. And you're good to go. Throw the new one on, load it up, and you're back to printing.